Alright guys, we're back. It's been a couple days. I got the shipment. I called Planted. I was like, guys, I heard about some rumors of the G35 fitting on the G37, or with the coupe, the Q60 actually fits in the G37 coupe. So I talked to them about all those, and they were like, they can't confirm. They never had a G37 at their shop. So if anybody in the Washington area, please go check out Planted Technologies and see if you get the car measured and help out some other G37 sedan guys, okay? So one thing Planted did recommend, or did say, is go ahead and order them, probably from a retailer with free shipping. Test it out. If it doesn't work, ship it back. All right, Planted, so I'll take that. So I found the G35, like I said in the, before the previous day, the G35 ones, and I just ordered them. So it showed up, and let's go have to take a look. Where's my pocket knife? My pocket knife. Holy shit. These just come just like that? They don't come in a box? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Alright, okay. I was expecting a retail box from Planted. Dude, this motherfucker's been installed already. So, I guess the whole thing with, would try them out and return it is apparently a thing with them. I'll turn the slide over. There we go. So there's a Planted bracket. This is for the driver toll. Okay. Alright, let's check this one out. See if this one's in a retail box. Also, guys, you're probably wondering, like, where the hell is the thing that fits in here? Yeah, the Z. The Z is back at the shop once again, getting shit redone because the previous company was total ass and never did it right. So look at this again. No retail boxing. Just pretty much put in passenger. Planted. Okay. So we have two sets of rails. This is the passenger. It's kind of close. It's kind of low on the inside. So we got our rails, boys and girls. There they are. So we have our test rails. Like I say, we're going to drill out the mounting points, and these have a few options, a few width left and right and stuff like that we could put. This is going to be exciting. Oh man, we're gonna have to figure this out, but I'm sorry once again, I can't go ahead and get them installed today or do the test or trial. The plan is to possibly tomorrow's going to be a nice warm day also. It's probably going to be a little warmer, but we're going to go ahead and take the OEM seats out. We gotta be careful, we're gonna trip the airbag. Take the OEM seats out, and just before even drilling out the factory mounting location brackets. Before drilling that out, we're going to offer up these planted brackets and see how close or how far we are. See if we have to go take it to another shop, because I got a French shop that has a really good fabricator, so he could TIG weld and stuff like that. So we'll take it over there if we're close, or we'll see if we just need to do something at home. Everything I've reading is that the G35 will work fine. I'm hoping it will. Got some fingers crossed it will. Alright, so that didn't work out. I got some information that said, like I said, the G35 brackets will fit, but it didn't really fit also well. Let me flip this light over, flip this camera over. So on the driver's side, we got front hole here to match up, we got back hole to match up. Alright, that could bolt in right there. The problem is the back over here has to extend, and the front could probably bend. If you see where this could bend down. Alright, so push comes to shove, that could actually bend, which is not bad. That could cut and extend at my buddy's shop, let him re-weld that. Okay, so possibly the G35 driver's side could work. But on the passenger side, right, if we line up the back here, okay, line it back there, this is hidden into the center tunnel. That's way off, and the front's way off here. So definitely the passenger one is too far off. Sorry about all the mess too, you know. But yeah, the passenger one is way too far off. Driver one could be fitted. The other rail to try now is the 350Z. Some people also said the 350Z one will fit. So that's the next one. Like Planted said, buy these, try them out, return it. That's what I could do. Let me try and get these seats back in the car. All right. Well, guys, shit. Let's see, I got the seats back in. But it's sad face, man. Yeah, it kind of sucks, man. I really was hoping that these were lined up. I had a good 50-50 on the feedback from people. Some of them said yes, it's gonna work. Some of them said no. I should have aired caution, but it was still kind of cool trying to learn it out. You saw me struggle with the driver's seat because the big old steering wheel's in the way. But the other reason I struggled too was I should have started this earlier, but before you unplug any of the harnesses, make sure you disconnect the battery. I didn't say it earlier. I assumed that people should know that because of airbags and stuff like that. But what happened was I sent it all the way forward so I could get the back bolts, and I forgot to center the seat back on the rails before I took the battery apart. Because of that, the rails were sticking way far out, which added more complexity. Rails sticking out, steering wheel into place. It was such a pain in the ass. I had to get some help. You saw the passenger side, the rails were mostly generally under the seat, so that was easy taking it out without the steering wheel there. The trick taking it out through the back, that definitely helped. But sad, really disappointed. Couldn't get it to fit, couldn't get them installed today. I think I'm either going to order some 370Z brackets. Other people said the 370Z brackets work. I don't know. I might try that, or $100, guys. Anybody want $100? Washington area, around the Seattle, Washington area. I'll give you $100. Take your G37 sedan over to Planet Technologies. Let them measure your shit so they can build a bracket. Please, I'll give you $100 for that. For your time. Now, I guess let's start her up. Make sure she's the thing. Let's start her up and see if the... no key. Where's my key? Let's start her up and see if it is going to throw the airbag light. Yeah. Ha! Oh shit. Airbag light went off. So we have 0 airbag light. So we was able to save it. No airbags. Well, no airbag light. So that's a good thing. That's a fun thing. Switch this radio off. But like I say, is either next video I'll probably do, I don't know, 370Z brackets, or hopefully somebody will take my $100 challenge and go to Planted. Until next time, guys, if you like the video, hit that subscribe button, hit like. I'll probably end with time lapse of me putting these fuckers back together. Sorry, shouldn't be cursing. But until next time, y'all have a good night.